Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. I was parked up at the Circle here at Rockport Beach, and my buddy Wayne was walking by and let me know there was some interesting things happening down here at the beach by the boat ramp. A young man was launching his kayaks, I believe. He was backing up his pickup, had 2 kids with him with a trailer on the back, and I guess he left his truck in neutral and got out of it, and the trailer, the truck, everything is underwater right there. Even the roof of the truck, it's so deep right there, is actually under the pier. There's Richard, the snow cone guy, Coastal Creations, Shaved Ice. There's my buddy Art in the blue jacket. Art works here at the park for the navigation district. That absolutely stinks. From what I've heard so far, everyone is okay. The guy who was driving, he doesn't even have a shirt or shoes. He lost those. So we're just going to hang out and see if they can get it out. I'm blocking you. I'm sorry. How's that?
18 years down here, and I've never seen it actually go in. I've always got out here or looked over and they were trying to get one out. I actually saw that one slide in.
I didn't think the water was that deep there.
Oh, it's the tide is up. It is like totally submerged. Like you can't even see the roof.
Wow.
Of the truck. All of his stuff went floating across. Most of it's over at the island already. Those sailboats were getting some of the stuff.
That's nice of him.
But
no one got hurt?
But no.
Good.
He's got the 2 girls. They were like running around screaming. But
well,
no, it's at a weird angle. It's the front of the truck is like underneath the pier.
Oh wow.
And he got in the water and hooked up the tow, hooked up the chain to the front of the truck.
Yeah.
He said the front of the truck is totally under mud.
Oh.
So that makes it even heavier.
That's not good.
But if they start cranking that up, if they don't slide it to the left,
yeah.
if they start cranking it up right there, then hell, that pier will be gone because they'll be lifting the pier up.
So he was in the truck when it went under?
No, he was outside. He said he kept it in neutral and went outside to do something with the trailer, and then it started sliding on him.
Man.
And I said, well, make sure. First of all, the tide is up already, so you didn't need to like put the back tires underneath the water.
This sounds like something I would do, Richard. I mean, it'll be funny in a week, you know, but well, you know what? It'll be funny in a month. What kind of truck was it?
It's an older model. I didn't really see. I was over there at filling up my jugs for my sinks, and then all of a sudden I heard a pop, and then I heard kids screaming, and then I looked over to the right, and then I saw his truck sliding on the ramp into the water.
Well, half price shaved ice.
Huh?
Half price shaved ice for those kids. Buy one, get one. Uh-oh. Experts.
Everybody's an expert when they come and look at somebody's
someone else's.
heartaches.
Not me, I just would have walked away.
Well, I just told him, I said, I told the one guy, I said, y'all are going to have to like try to get it to where it slides, and then that mud, if it's covered in mud, I said it ain't Because don't be lifting it up right there. Or that whole walkway there is going to collapse. I've always seen them go straight, be straight. I've never seen one crooked like that.
And is the truck still have the trailer attached to it, I assume?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Well.
Yeah, the little boat they have, it floated on. It's probably over there at the island. Most of his stuff is at the island already. You can see ice chests, coolers, and everything.
That sucks.
It's that guy in the shorts there.
Yeah, I figured that.
Because he had to take his clothes off to jump in the water to try to hook it up.
He's taking it pretty well.
Yeah. Well, he said he's got full coverage.
Well, that's good.
That's his first comment to me.
Yeah. What, is that his fishing stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, the sailboat.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't even have a truck to put it in. So.
Pick that up. Well, the kids got in that red truck. I think that might be one of his friends or a relative. Because see, in the summer when there was 6 or 7 of them that went in the water in June.
Yeah.
The wrecker couldn't get one out, so they had to bring like the crane truck.
Ooh.
And he got it out pretty easy. So this one might have to bring the crane truck again, because I don't think one of these tow trucks is going to be able to have enough power to do that.
That's a shame.
I've even seen a fire truck pull one out over the years. They had to bring the fire truck because it had more power.
Little small town excitement. Man. Thanks, Richard. So they do have a flatbed tow truck here. And they have a crane type, you know, the old-fashioned type tow truck here. So I think, see the flatbed? Looks like they're going to try to get the crane type old-fashioned tow truck to kind of pull it up, so the other one can pull it forward. This is like another disaster waiting to happen here. Glad Richard knows what's going on. Got the owner there and 2 different tow truck guys and people from the navigation district. Just trying to get a battle plan together. There's the truck owner just getting out of the water right now. I think he stepped on a shell or something down there. Hopefully not a fishing hook. But it looks like he messed up his one foot. This guy's having a rough day. They are still trying to figure it out. Quite a crowd is forming. They're starting to set the chains, and different people are coming with different opinions. That young man who owns the truck is hooking up the chains to the truck. And the boats are starting to line up because they want to use the boat ramp. But they're being patient. Someone should get those 2 kids that were with him some ice cream. I'm sure they could go for a float right about now. There's my buddy Tim. Tim always stops and says hello, and he's a volunteer fireman. I call this little group the board of directors. There's the young man getting back in the water again. So they might want him to reposition some of those chains. They have a tight chain on one of them. I would clear out any extra people right now that didn't need to be right there, because I've seen what happens when chain breaks or a tow cable comes loose. It can do some real damage to anyone in the area.
Still on the trailer?
You know, it's just a truck, and all we had was a little kayak. Yeah, it was just a kayak. So when he got on, he took the kayak off, then it slid in. But then he jumped off and tried to go. We already got.
Well, a couple pulls and it's on its side now. That is its front right tire sticking up.
Yeah, and bottom line is the truck's done. I guess it really doesn't matter.
Well, he's got good tires on it,
Well done. Yeah.
or at least that one. So it's sideways. It's more on its roof than anything, huh? Oh, man. I would not be where that young man is on the side of that truck.
No, exactly. But
That gentleman right
he is,
there.
That's his. I mean, that's what he does.
Yeah.
I'm sure he knows.
Well, he's not right on the end either, so I don't know. I've just been injured too many times.
Yeah. This kind of an injury would be very. Yeah. I mean, it might be the end right there. You get hit with that cable, I'm sure it's not good.
Here's the back tire.
That's tough, the way that flipped. Now it's making, maybe that's going to make it more difficult. Yeah.
Looks like it's going to go right on its roof.
That's exactly what it looks like it's doing. There it goes.
Still caught on something. Bless this guy. He's still making jokes, so
He really is.
he's gonna cry when he gets home.
Yeah, I know, man.
He seems like a good guy.
I know he filled out some.
That's
insurance.
upside down, man.
Oh, there it is. That's probably what they didn't want. But
Completely
guess
upside.
what? It'll slide. Yeah, it's a little small.
You don't have any warrants, do you? Wayne, you need a bottle of water?
I'm okay, thank you.
You're photo bombing, Tim. So that's what an undercarriage wash looks like, huh?
Yeah, it's clean now.
Did you go to the neighborhood bar the other night? Maybe Thursday? No?
Looks like that young man just hooked up his trailer to get that out. I'm concerned about him. He's limping pretty good. He stepped on something. At one point he made himself a pair of shoes out of a t-shirt and something else, and I gave him duct tape. No one was injured. He has insurance. Everything gonna be all right this morning. Here comes the trailer. Oh yeah. Woo! Well, that was our excitement for the day, guys. Thanks for riding along. Thanks for watching.